So you guys see this beautiful moving square that's dot switches direction depending on the way you move. That's what you're going to get once you finish this video. So stick to the end and you can get a beautiful moving yellow block. Currently as it is, I just made a sprite and I made an object and I put it in our room. And if we look at it now with any directional inputs, nothing happens. So the first thing you have to do to make your object move is first go to your object and add an event. To make your character move, you must use the key down event instead of the key press, because as long as you hold it down, then your object will move, but with key press, it only moves that amount of space every time you press it. So this just helps your game run smoother. So to allow your character to move, you must use the jump to point, and then type in how many pixels you want it to move every frame that you hold it down. So I'm just going to do X for Y0. And make sure to press relative, because if you don't press relative, it's just going to jump to a certain point on the map instead of moving relative to your current location. So with what we just put in, as you can see, when I use the right arrow, we can only move right and nothing else. So we're going to put in the rest of the directional inputs right now. Same thing, key left, jump to point, but instead put -4, 0, and relative. And we'll do the same for the up and down as well. Jump to point, 0, -4 down is relative, and then finally key down, down, jump to point, 0, 4, relative. So now let's see if this works. And there you have it, guys. You have a moving yellow box with one black square in it. Pretty interesting. But next, I'll teach you how to make sure to make your character face the right direction depending on how you're moving it. Like as you can see, my current object is facing right when I move right, but it's still facing right when I move left. So I want to teach you how to fix that issue right now. Okay, so to change face direction, you have to use set instance scale. And if we're using a 2D thing like this, we can change face directions when you're moving left and right. So what you gotta use is set instance scale right here. And if you want to face the left direction, you have to do -1. And for the right side, if you want to make it face the right, you just leave it as it is. So I want to show you right now. So as you can see, we can now face change direction, but as you see, it kind of flips as if like in math, something's flipping over the y-axis, right? So to fix that issue, you have to go to your sprite, and you see this little thing right here that I'm moving? That is our origin, which is the center of our sprite. So if you do middle center on your square, and you run it again, it should be smooth, and the dot should be the only thing that appears moving instead of the square flipping. See, as you can see, it's really smooth now. And that's all I have to show you guys in this video. So I hope you watch my next one, where I teach you how to make tile sets in GML. Thank you for watching.